We Crack You provide free mock test for SSC CPO exam. For that, you only need to Google search Crack You SSC CPO free mock test. Click on the first link and start the mock. After completing the mock, you get the complete detailed analysis with the solution and percentile for the mock. Hi friends, welcome to our channel Crack You RRB SSC Banking Exam. In today's video, we are going to discuss on post, vacancy and salary structure for SSC CPO exams. To get this important update, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the daily notifications. The SSC will hold an open competition for the recruitment of sub-inspector in Delhi Police and Central Armed Police Forces, that is CAPF, and even the departmental candidate that are constable, head constable, assistant sub-inspector of Delhi Police with minimum 3 years service and age not more than 30 years, and that is 33 for OBC and 35 for ST can apply to this exam. So what are the posts? Let's see. The first is sub-inspector GD in CAPF. CAPF is Central Armed Police Forces, and the post carries pay scale of level 6, that is rupees 35,400 to 1,12,400, and is classified as group B, that is non-gazetted and non-ministerial. Now what is the post 2? That is sub-inspector executive. This takes in both male and female candidates in Delhi Police, and this is a group C, non-gazetted by Delhi Police, and even this has a pay scale of level 6, that is in the pay band of rupees 35,400 to 1,12,400. So these are the two posts for which SSC CPO is hiring, that is sub-inspector in CAPFs and Delhi Police. Now let's see what is the vacancy for this year. For sub-inspector executive in Delhi Police, for males, the total vacancy are under the unreserved category. For open, like for all the students or the graduate who are appearing for government exams, that is 32. For economically weaker section, it is 9. For OBC candidates, it is 6. For SC, it's 11, and ST, it's 15. So it makes the total vacancy for opens is 73. Whereas for departmental candidates, like who are applying and they are already in the department, it is 4 for unreserved, that is general candidate, 1 for economically weaker section candidate, 2 for OBC, 1 for SC, 1 for ST, and the total makes it 9. For ex-servicemen, like who are working, for unreserved it's 5. There is no seat for EWS, that is economically weaker section. For OBC candidates it's 2. For SC and ST it's 1 respectively. Again the total is 9. So the total vacancy, combining all the open departmental candidate and ex-servicemen seats, we have 41 seats for unreserved, 10 seats for economically weaker section, 10 for OBC candidates, 13 for SC candidates, 17 for ST candidates, and that is total 91 seats. Now the same for female, that is sub-inspector executive in Delhi Police female. The type of vacancy is open, that is for all giving the examination, not the there is no reservation for departmental candidates or ex-servicemen. So here the unreserved candidates has 35 seats. EWS economically weaker section has 8 seats, OBC 17, SC 12, ST 6, total 78. So this is for female candidates. Now for sub-inspector in Central Armed Police Forces, that is CAPFs, we can see that the forces are given here, that is CRPF male and female, BSF in 2 categories male and female, ITBP in 2 categories male and female, CISF in 2 categories male and female, and SSB in 2 categories male and female, and all containing UR, that is unreserved, economically weaker section, OBC, SC, ST, and total. So in total we can say for sub-inspector in Central Armed Police Forces, the number of vacancy for unreserved male is 553 and for unreserved female is 24, whereas for economically weaker section for male it's 132, for female it's 5, OBC it's 360 and for female it's 13, for male SC it's 201 and for female SC it's 8, for male ST there are 96 vacancies and for female ST there are 3 vacancies, making a total of for male 1342 and for female 53, whereas the total number of vacancy now is 1395 combining both male and female, in which CRPF has 1072 vacancies, BSF have 244 vacancy, ITBP has 43 vacancy, CISF have 20 and SSB 16. And even ex-servicemen, if you are an ex-serviceman, so the vacancy for you in CRPF is 107, for BSF it's 24, for ITBP it's 4, CISF it's 2, SSB it's 2. So the total vacancy for ex-servicemen is 139. When you sum up this, you come with a number that is 1564 vacancies for sub-inspector post. This exam is giving you in total. So this is it for now. Hope you liked it, and if you did, please like, share and comment. And yes, if you have any query, please comment down in the comment box. Hope you liked it, and if you did, please like, share and comment. And yes, we also have all the previous year paper of SSC exams like SSC CGL, CHSL, CPO, Steno, etc. with detailed solution, and the link is given in the description box below. Till then, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the daily updates. Thank you.